god. He like, did you not see that? Jesus. Some people are just like, maybe he wasn't paying attention. Maybe he's on his phone or something. Shit went right on in the car. Look, fucked up his bumper. Do you see it wobbling? Look, it's fucked up his bumper. Look, it's wobbling. Do you see it wobbling? Look, it's fucked up his bumper. Look, it's wobbling. Damn, man. See what happens? Roadkill and look. Oh my god, that shit. Fuck. Yo, your bumper. Damn. Wow. Yo, those raccoons are no joke. Look at that. That shit fucked up. Look. Damn. Sorry, man. I feel the pain.